Hello, little adventurers! Welcome to the Colors Wonderland adventure. I'm your colorful guide, Sally, and today we're going to explore the amazing world of colors. Are you ready for a rainbow-tastic journey? Great! Let's start by learning the primary colors. Repeat after me, okay? Let's start with our primary colors. We have red, blue, yellow. Fantastic! These are the primary colors. Now, when we mix them, we get new colors. Are you curious to find out? All right, let's mix red and blue together. What color do we get? Purple! That's right, purple. Now let's mix blue and yellow. What do we get? Green! You're on fire! Green it is. And finally, let's mix red and yellow. What's the magical color? Orange! Yes, indeed, orange! You're all amazing color wizards. Now let's play a game. I'll name a color and you show me something that's that color. Ready? Show me something red. Great job! Now, show me something blue. You're all fantastic! Let's continue our color journey. Look at this beautiful rainbow. What colors do we see in a rainbow? Say along with me, guys. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Wow, you're experts! The colors of the rainbow make a magical arc in the sky. Now let's have a little experiment. I have here 3 cups of paint, red, blue, and yellow. We're going to mix them and see what happens. Are you ready? What color did we make? Brown! Exactly! Brown is what we get when we mix all the colors together. Isn't that fascinating? Well done, my little color explorers! Today, we've discovered the primary colors, mixed them to create new colors, played a fun game, admired a rainbow, and even had a little color mixing experiment. Remember, the world is a beautiful canvas of colors waiting to be explored. Keep your eyes open and let the colors fill your world with joy and wonder. Thank you for joining me on this Colors Wonderland adventure. My shining stars, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can continue learning with us. Until next time, keep shining bright with all the colors of the rainbow. And remember, your brain is your superpower. Bye!